Well, hey there. Today's your lucky day. You get to go on a tour with me through some of the 2024 St. George Parade of Palms homes. Now, a little bit about St. George. It's got some fantastic medical facilities. A lot of retirees are moving down there. They're building their dream home. There's a lot of new construction going on down there. It's rapidly growing. When people are building their homes, especially the retirees, there's a lot of one level living. There are two stories, obviously, for the younger families who opt to go that route. But these one stories or ramblers have casitas. Not all of them, but there are more and more that are being built. They're the accessory dwelling units. So people are building these homes. They're renting out their accessory dwelling units for passive income. And then they are having a family member or a caregiver live in those accessory dwelling units so that they don't have to have the extra expense of an assisted living center. But anyway, this is going to be a multiple part series. So make sure you subscribe. This channel is also about everything you need to know about buying and selling a home. We walk you through the entire process, tell you the ins and outs and all the secrets, as well as all the market updates. And you will also know where to live in Utah because we cover all the neighborhoods. So make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. I hope you've enjoyed that property tour. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Laura. I'm a real estate expert here in the state of Utah. And if you want to know anything about living in Utah, which neighborhoods to live in, where to eat, where to go do fun activities, how to buy and sell a home, as well as what the market is doing here, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, contact me. See ya.